Hello, welcome to my daily earnings. Today I'll be talking about how I managed to earn over $100 in 2 days from Google Admob. So this is my first time of earning over $100 in 2 days, and my first time of reaching $60 today so far. Today is second, you can see for yourself, 2nd January 2021, Sunday, 8:26 p.m. The day I've not even earned, I've already reached $64. So this is my first time of reaching $60 since I started this Admob. I've not reached $60 in a day before. This is my first time and I'm very much happy, which shows the future is bright for me, very much bright. You understand? So I have a target of reaching $3,000 every month by the end of this year. From what I'm seeing, that my target is going to be possible from what I'm seeing, because I'm now averaging $50 every day. So since I'm averaging $50 every day, that means at the end of this month I'm expected to reach $1,500 in earning. That's my expectation. $1,500 or $1,415, maybe that's what I might reach this month. So my viewers, my subscribers, you can see for yourself how my earnings are going. Yesterday I made $56. Today I've already $64, and in a week I've made $326 in 1 week. So if you can see here, this is my ad request. This is ad request, total number of ad requests that Move Network receive from your apps. So my apps have requested 680,000 ad requests. The number of times my app requests for ads. Then total number of impressions that was 48. The total number of ads shown to users, all of your ad units and apps through mediation, including period over comma. So this is the total number of impressions that was shown for 7 days, helping me to reach 326. So my viewers, you can see that my ad request is increasing, my impression is increasing, which also resulted to my revenue to be increasing. So if you want your revenue to be increasing, your impression should be increased. This is green +8. See, up, it went up here, drop, increase. So my revenue. So from here now you can see that my ad request is increasing, my impression increasing. So which means my users are also increasing, which made me to have an increase in revenue. So in 2 days I made $100, very much over $100. Very much happy. $121 so far this month. I've made $121. So I'm very much happy. So now next I want to show you guys the countries that help me to be earning like this. You understand? Very important, so that you can see how the countries are helping me. So this is yesterday, date range yesterday. So yesterday the total number of impression was 9,056.92. Now if you scroll down you can see the countries. United States number 1. United States came first. So United States, I made $23 from US yesterday. My US users with a little 1,429 impression. Then Nigeria came second. My country, Nigeria came second. Then I made $16 with a 4,040 impression. Then United Kingdom came third. My UK users, thank you very much. You guys made me $6. Then Canada users came fourth with 209 impression. I made 3.3. Then Germany came fifth. Cameroon, I made 1.7 from Cameroon. Then my South African users, $1. Then my Australia users, 0.5 cents. Then my Ghana users, then my Jamaica, my Zambia, my Indonesia, my Philippines. I have users from almost anywhere you can think of. Australia, Liberia. If you go more, you see more countries. Uganda, Angola, Italy, Netherlands, Kenya, Singapore, Ethiopia, Malawi, almost all the countries. I earn one or two things from the countries, Romania and this. So definitely you can see for yourself the country that has earning me the highest. Then today so far, let's look at today. Today is 2nd January. Let's apply it and see. We have to go to the end to see the number one country. We have to go. I've already used $65. So today I've already earned $65. You can see $65. You know, as we refresh it, it was 64. As we refresh it, as I'm making this video, I'm earning. That is why I love Admob. As I'm talking, people are using my apps. Every minute, people are using my apps. There's no minute people are not using my app. As I'm talking, someone somewhere in the world is using my application, so which helped me to be earning. So I reached $65 with 10,000, 92k impression. Now today, United States is still number one. United States number one. I met in 6.98 today from US with an impression of 1,700. Then Nigeria, I met 22. You see, US impression is low, Nigeria impression is high, and I met high in US because the CPC for US is higher. That is the reason why, with a lower impression, with a lower number of hours shown, my earning is higher in the United States than my country, which has a lower CPC. So US number one today, Nigeria number two. Nigeria made me $22. The United Kingdom also came third. So yesterday and today, US number one, Nigeria number two, UK also number three. Then South Africa now came fourth, Ghana, Singapore, Canada. So these are the countries that help me to earn my today earnings. You can see Philippines. If I go more, you see more countries: Eswatini, Spain, Togo, France, Dominica, Jamaica, Angola, Slovakia. So almost every country. There's no country you corner that I don't have a user there. I have users in every part of the world. So these are the countries that help me to earn like this. So my viewers, you can see how my earnings are going so far. You know, I have not refreshed this thing, that's why it's still in 64. Maybe if I refresh it now, it will give us my current earning now. You know, this is the, you know, it was in 65 that time. 65.65. I've earned more self. It was 60 what here? It was 65.02. As I refresh it, 65.65 more earnings. So before today end, I will reach 70. From what I'm seeing, I will reach $70. By tomorrow, I might show you guys what I finally made at the end of today. So thank you for watching and seeing how my earnings are going and the countries helping me to earn. I have many people used to ask me, how many apps do you have? You know, someone used to ask me that question. So I have up to 100 applications on Play Store. I have up to 100, more than 100 apps. I have more than 100 apps. My number of installed, over 100,000 have installed my apps. And my active users is more than 40,000. So I have more than 40,000 active users. People using my app within a month, more than 40,000. In a day, my users is maybe up to 10,000 in a day. I have up to 10,000 users. So thanks for watching this my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on how my earnings are going. So subscribe, like this my video, share it to your friends. Bye.